Welcome to the speaking section of IELTS examination. My name is Sapna Dhameja and today I would be your examiner for this part of the test. This test will be recorded. What is your full name?
My full name is Mehak Meet Kaur.
How may I call you?
You can call me by my first name, Mehak.
Okay, Mehak. May I see your identification please?
Yes, ma'am. Here's my passport.
Thank you. What are you doing, Mehak, at the moment?
I'm currently pursuing my graduation from MCM DAV, Chandigarh.
What subjects are you studying?
I'm studying English elective, History and Culture of Punjab, Economics, Public Administration and General English.
Where do you come from?
I come from Tohana. It is a city in Haryana.
Can you define it a little?
I'm sorry, I have not been living there. I have always been in a hostel or a boarding school.
Okay. What do you do to spend your free time?
I usually watch Netflix or watch some sports.
What's your favorite program?
I like to watch Friends. It is a comedy series and it is available on Netflix.
Okay, few questions will be based on books. How often do you read books?
I don't generally read books. I like to watch more of movies or series.
Do you have many books at your home?
I don't have a lot of books, but the books I have are educational and not entertainment books.
Okay, do Indian people like to read a lot?
I'm not sure about everybody, but the people around me like to watch movies instead of reading books.
What kind of people like reading and what kind of people do not like reading?
People who like to gain knowledge and are more into reading like to read books, and the other like to watch movies to gain knowledge.
Why they do not like reading books?
Because it is kind of more time consuming.
Okay. What type of books children read nowadays?
Children nowadays like to read comic books, or even, some of them even like to read novels.
Okay. How does reading help a child?
The child's mental development can be done through reading.
How?
Because he reads more and gains knowledge about different things and perspectives, and the perspective of the child can be changed by reading.
Mehak, according to you, how much should a child read every day?
According to me, a person or a child should read at least 2 pages of a book.
Okay. Few questions will be based on a celebrity life. Who is your favorite celebrity in India?
My favorite celebrity in India is Katrina Kaif. She's also launched her makeup brand.
Okay. Do you like any foreign celebrities?
Yes, of course. I like Gigi Hadid. She's a model.
Okay. Would you want to be a celebrity in the future?
Not really. I wouldn't prefer to become a celebrity because it hinders their privacy.
Okay. Do you think we should respect famous people's privacy?
Definitely, their privacy should be respected. Even if they're open to the general public, it does not give the fans right to their privacy.
Okay. How do celebrities influence their fans in India?
They do it through social media. They talk to them, have conferences.
Okay. This is end of the part 1. So this is your cue card and you will be given 1 minute to prepare your answer.
Can I have the pencil?
Yeah, of course. Paper and pencil. And you will have to speak 2 minutes.
Yes, ma'am. One can learn a lot from the senior citizens as they have more experience of life, and the newer generation can turn to them in times of need. The person I love and respect the most is my maternal grandfather. His name is Balbir Singh. He's about 6 feet tall. He usually wears white clothing, particularly kurta pajamas. As it is a famous saying that one should treat people the way they want to be treated. My grandfather treats people with utmost respect, and in return, he is respected and admired by the people around him. He is a man of his words. Once he makes a commitment, he makes sure that he fulfills his words. He has a very giving nature. He likes to help people in times of their need. He also helps them with financial and emotional support. He also encourages me and my brother to donate one tenth of our income in future when we start earning, as he does the same. I love him. He's admired by me. I'm very blessed to have him as my grandfather. Moreover, I feel obligated to have him.
Okay, Mehak. This is time to ask follow-up questions based on your previous cue card. What qualities does a person need to have to take care of old people?
A person needs to be patient. He needs to be a good listener. Moreover, he needs to be a person who can take care of people.
Why do you think so?
Because old people usually feel isolated. So the person needs to be somebody who can hear them. Moreover, the old age people require little patience as they get stubborn with age.
Okay, why they feel isolated, as you said that they feel isolated?
Because everybody in the house is usually indulged in their own works and they do not get enough time by their family.
Do you really think so that family members should spend time with them?
Yes, of course. This is because the old people have themselves contributed so much in the life of their own children.
Okay. Do you think all people should be taken care at home?
Yes, of course. I believe that old people should be taken care by their family members because they can. The old people wouldn't feel isolated and they'll be more confident and they'll feel happy with their family.
But sometimes that people left them at nursing homes or old age centers. What is your opinion about that?
It can be beneficial and it could also have a little drawbacks because the care homes can provide them with medical facilities and uninterrupted attention.
Okay. How can people in the neighborhood help the elderly during an epidemic?
The neighbor people can cook food or provide the old people with groceries. Moreover, they can also help them by providing medicines that they need.
Okay. Do you see this kind of help occurring in your neighborhood?
To be honest, there is no senior citizen living by themselves in my neighboring. Most of them live with their families, and their families take care of them very nicely.
Thank you, Mehak. This is end of the speaking test.